for the Venn diagram, I'm just going to get you started because there's no directions on the slide. So for this one, we're classifying all the different types of numbers. So this big box represents the real number system, and then it's split into two categories. So the pink category is the little category of irrational. I would type that into the Pear Deck instead of trying to write it. And then over here, the blue, we're going to put real. And then you need to label the rest of the categories on your own. And then you need to write examples of numbers, your own examples, so not the numbers from the notes. Give me your own examples for each circle in the Venn diagram. And just 3 examples is enough. 3 examples per category. So give me 3 irrational numbers, 3 real numbers, and then 3 numbers that belong to the rest of the sets. So complete that, then you will be ready for your exit ticket.